Hello everyone. First of all, look at this ad.
Redefine classics.
Amazing, right? So I have created this ad using NA10 and Sora only. As you can see, this is amazing and you can give it as a service, or if you have any product, you can create hyper realistic ads like these. So I will be now showing the exact step-by-step way how you can do this. So now let's test it again. I have this iPhone 17 image. I'll copy this. I will run this. I'll paste the image. I've created this prompt. I just pasted my image and tell the AI to create me a prompt. Now I'm just copying the prompt back to NA10, just upload it and submit. As you can see, our AI automation is already running. It just completed running. So now we have our video uploaded to our Google Drive. So I'll see. So let me see. Amazing. I'll download it. Look at this video. Amazing, right? So if you need this NA10 automation, you can comment the word Sora and I'll share the link of this exact blueprint that you can use to create your own hyper realistic AI videos.